Imagine your website is a bustling storefront, but without proper doors, port 80 and 443, customers can't enter or feel safe. In the digital realm, these ports are gateways that determine how users interact with your web applications. Understanding the roles of port 80 and port 443 within Vultr's infrastructure is crucial for ensuring both accessibility and security. Port 80 is the default port for HTTP traffic, handling unsecured web traffic. When a user types a URL without specifying a protocol, their browser automatically uses port 80 to establish a connection. While this allows for easy access, it lacks the encryption that protects data transmitted between the user and the server. This vulnerability can expose sensitive information to potential threats, making it essential to consider alternatives for secure data transmission. Enter port 443, the standard port for HTTPS traffic. Unlike port 80, port 443 utilizes SSL/TLS protocols to encrypt data, ensuring that information remains confidential and tamper-proof during transmission. This encryption not only safeguards user data but also builds trust, as visitors can see the padlock icon indicating a secure connection. For businesses and developers using Vultr's cloud services, configuring port 443 correctly is paramount to maintaining a secure online presence. Vultr provides robust tools to manage these ports effectively. By leveraging Vultr's firewall features, you can control traffic flow, allowing only necessary ports while blocking potential threats. Implementing automatic redirects from port 80 to port 443 ensures that all user traffic is encrypted, enhancing security without compromising accessibility. Additionally, Vultr's support for SSL certificates simplifies the process of setting up HTTPS, making it easier to protect your web applications without extensive technical expertise. Practical steps to secure your Vultr server begin with auditing your current port configurations. Disable unnecessary ports to minimize exposure to attacks and prioritize the use of port 443 for all web traffic. Regularly update your SSL certificates and monitor traffic patterns to detect and respond to suspicious activities promptly. By taking these measures, you not only protect your data but also improve your site's credibility and performance in search engine rankings. Securing port 80 and 443 on your Vultr server is not just a technical requirement but a strategic move to enhance your website's reliability and user trust. As cyber threats evolve, staying informed and proactive in managing these essential ports can make a significant difference in your online success. How are you currently managing your web traffic ports on Vultr, and what challenges have you faced in securing them? Share your experiences in the comments below.